So here are two little micro mini albums that I made. This one was done a few days ago, and I just finished making this one. It's constructed the same, just a plain cover, but this one is a lot thicker than this one because I used every single element in the templates to assemble this one, and I still have lots of pages for journaling, so it does make for a bulky little journal. On this one, I just attached a little flower on the side, and it closes with the ribbon, some seam binding. So I'll just quickly go through it. I used some duct tape on the spine because it really makes it nice and solid. It's not going to rip when you open and close it. And on the front cover, this is an image from the templates, and that opens and you can attach little photos in there, or you can also journal with a gold Sharpie marker. They look really nice on the black cardstock. And then I've got some little charms attached to 4 of the 8 tabs. There's a little key, bottle opener, pencil, and a little cherub on a heart. So like I said, I've used all of the elements in here, so there's a lot of little tags, and I'll just move this one aside. So I've got these little tag, this little tag in here, and then this is an envelope with the note paper. And this is one of the signature covers, and what I did is I printed some of these signature covers on cardstock, and I also used some inside the same signature just as a regular page, so that I could include all of the images in there. So then I've got some paper from my stash, and then here's one of the inside pages that I just printed on regular paper. And then I've got these little flaps that open to the left. Again, that's so that there's still room for writing. I don't want to attach anything on here if it's going to take up too much of the writing space. I think I might have a few that I did attach, but generally I like having a little flap that opens like that. Here's another image, and then I've got these tags, little mini index card, and this is some tea stained paper that I scanned, so it has that tea stained look. And this is some paper that's in the template, lined paper. And here's another little tag, and you can tuck something behind there. And this is one of the index cards, and I use that as a page. I just folded in 2. And here's another index card that I cut. I had an extra one, so I just cut that and I attached it to the side of the page. And here's the tag, and that folds down like that. So there's different ways that you can attach these elements so that you're still saving some space for journaling. But I like these little micro albums. They also make cute little stocking stuffers. But they're still time consuming to make. I mean, by the time you cut all the pieces and attach them together and stitch the pages in, there is some work involved in assembling these. More little tags. Some of these, my trimmer was a little dull, the blade, so it leaves these little bits of paper. I might go through and trim those with scissors, but it also kind of gives it an old look, so I might leave some like that. I like the images of the antique ads. Another one of these little envelopes with the note paper inside. I won't open it, it's the same as the other one. I think there are three envelopes in the templates. And there's the next signature. I've got 4 signatures in here. I'm listing this little micro journal in my Etsy shop, so that's why I'm going through pretty much each of the pages to show what it looks like. Another one of these tags that folds down. And these pockets are also included in the templates. So some of these images are replicated on the signature covers or on some of the small tags. There are 12 different images in here, and they come in the different formats like tags and signature covers or inside pages. There's another one. That's for tucking something in the back. So I wanted to see what it would look like if I incorporated everything in there, and it makes quite a chunky little journal. Anyways, so that's my little journal. I'll include a link to it in my Etsy shop as well as to the templates if anybody is interested in making one of these. Have a nice day and happy scrapping. Bye.